Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. It's been a while. It actually really hasn't. I've shot a ton of clips and just never really made a video on certain shit that's happened. I sold the FD, which I have clips for that, of the guy coming and picking it up. We took the drift car out for another drift day, which it did great, and I was gonna make a video and then never did. But I just have been super busy, and honestly, I don't want to say that I lack the motivation, but I just really haven't shot anything that I'm like, man, I really can't wait to make a video on that. But today is different. Today is a very, very cool day, and that's why I'm wearing my Top Rank hoodie, because Brian and Top Rank have made one of our goals come true, and it arrives today. A lot of you know that my dad and I were selling my 35, or his 35 and my 32. Well, his 35 sold. And there was one car that he wanted if he sold the 35. And we've been looking at this car for 5 months. It's been in Japan, it's here, and the dream has become a reality. I never thought we would own this car. I never thought that it would actually get done. I mean, I did a little bit, but I was not super optimistic about it. But the car is here. It'll be here in 30 minutes. And it's my dad's car. It's not my car. But in the terms of cars, this is something super special. And I cannot wait to actually kind of dive into this car. So once the shipper gets here, we'll get the car off the trailer, off the transport, and get her in here, and we'll start looking at her. But I'm super excited, and let's get this video started. What is it, Dad?
It's an R33.
Holy crap, boys and girls, it's here.
This is the engine. It's quiet.
Oh. Can't even do it, doesn't do it justice. How's it going, bro?
What's up, bro? Good?
Oh my lord, oh my Lanta.
It needs to fill my exhaust.
It does. What do you think?
Oh my god.
All right, guys, I'll be right back. I gotta look at the car. I'll be right back. Well, yeah, we can fix that.
We gotta get.
Yeah, we can fix that. What do you think?
Oh, it's beautiful. My god, it's beautiful.
Oh man, the color, the camera doesn't do it justice. This thing is insane. Anyways, I'll show you guys in a little. Ooh, ooh. What do you think?
I'm scared.
What are you scared for? It's your car.
Alright, how did these?
Oh, you closed them. Open them back up.
I didn't touch them. They did that when I started it.
Okay.
It's just different than the 35.
Well, yeah, it's an older car. It's not from the 2000s. Reverse, I think, is.
That's right here. It says Nismo.
Oh. Well, what's that? It's got Nismo? Oh, okay. Let her rip. Huh.
Oh my god.
How's the clutch feel?
It's good.
Look at this car, guys. I can't wait to see it in the sun. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for him. Oh man. What a car. Oh, the dude in the sun doesn't even do it justice, and it's dirty too. Oh. Oh my God. Dude, the color, I mean, it's dirty, but the color is...
I might be an old man in this.
God dang, that thing is sick.
All right, I'm going one time around and pick you up.
All right, go ahead. Yeah?
It's unbelievable.
All right, I'm gonna get in. Dad driving right-hand drive. How's it feel?
I'm really good. Really good. And this is a baby car. You baby this car.
Oh, this car's so sick. Right, it's nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Dang.
Brakes are
Brakes are
amazing.
The endless brakes are nice.
They're amazing.
This thing is sick. Oh, a little blow-off valve action. Okay.
Not quite as fast as I thought it would be, but
Well, it probably needs it needs to be.
but I'm done with it. With turbos.
yeah, turbos and everything. What is that, like half throttle though?
Yeah.
Let
I don't care.
it build a little boost. Give it a little rip right here. Just a down the straightaway rip. You know, second gear-ish. Okay. It's not slow either.
No.
What do you think?
Oh God, this car's. I love the wheel.
I cannot describe to you guys how unbelievable it feels to have this car because of how long we've been looking at it and how long we've been jonesing over this car, and the fact that it's here in the stalled.
Third gear.
First stall. It's all right. I did that a couple times when I got my car as well. So cool. So cool. So there you guys have it. There it is. The brand new 1996 R33 Vspec in deep marine blue. Now, let me tell you guys a little bit about this car. We've been looking at this car for like 6 months. Like, no kidding. It was in Japan. It had all the parts my dad wanted on the car, and I'm going to go through those here in a second, but this car is unbelievable. Now, this is one of 40 Series 2 R33 GTR Vspecs that came in this color. They made 296 cars total R33s in this color, GTRs. This thing is immaculate. Let's go through the car. So first and foremost, the engine is a Tomei 2.8 stroker with Tomei camshafts, Tomei rods, pistons, everything. As you can see, the car is absolutely immaculate. Like, even stuff is still zinc coated, which is unbelievable. You can see up here it has Öhlins on it. Some HKS goodies. So HKS piping kit. It has, which I think I can get a little video here, Nismo old logo intercooler. It has the incredibly rare gold badges. Series 3 front lip, I believe. Xenon headlights, which are like 11 grand now. LM GT4s on endless big brake front and rear kit, which you can see here. Nismo downpipes, Nismo our Fujitsubo titanium exhaust, which we're going to replace. Again, gold badges. Let's go into the interior. This is where it gets pretty spicy. So hold on, let me make sure I don't smack the drift car. Recaro SR7 seats, which we're probably going to get rid of. Nismo old logo white face gauges. A little Defi water temp gauge that they put on the dash here, which is kind of tight. Nismo old logo triple gauge. Super rare option, Nismo Momo steering wheel, which is kind of sweet. I kind of like this. Nismo shift knob. Let's see, what else is in here that's like unbelievable. It has a Nismo G-Max clutch and a couple other little goodies in the car. I cannot express to you guys how weird and wild it is that this car is sitting here right now because of how long we've been looking at the car. Like, this was more of a dream, and we were not sure we were going to make this a reality. I cannot express to you how weird it is to have this thing sitting in the shop, and Dad is already on the computer looking for, we're going to replace the exhaust. So in my opinion, the Tomei exhaust is the way to go on these, on any RB26, honestly any inline six. The Tomei to me is the best sounding exhaust. It sounds good on inline sixes. It sounds beefy and healthy and just really good. But this car, guys, is so insane. And I cannot express to you how crazy it is. Hold on, let me mess with my settings here. There we go. I cannot express to you how unbelievable this thing is. It is just something. I'm speechless. I'm so speechless that this car is sitting here. I'm so speechless that this car is even ours. And Dad is through the roof. And it is all because of Top Rank and Brian at Top Rank. And I mean, even the drift car, Brian helped get that in. You know, I cannot express to you how thankful and how much we are so stoked that Brian made this happen. It doesn't seem real. It doesn't seem real. And yeah, I mean, I have no words. So with that, guys, that is going to do it for today's update video. I hope that holds you guys over for a little bit. I got a few more things coming. I'm going to be in Japan in a couple weeks, and I'm going with my mom, so I am going to film that. But yeah, there it is. Vspec R33. All right, guys, deuces. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at RMDenton, and I will see you guys in the next one.